Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car, and this is kind of a off-the-wall one, but I'm at a car show, and I met Bob, and he's got a school bus, a 2010 International, and then it's also his meat business. He's got Man Meats, and I'll shut up and start walking around. Bob, tell me about your business and your bus.
Oh, come on up. I'll show you the inside.
Okay.
So in 2017, I bought my first bus. This is my second bus. The first one's a prototype of, it's still functioning today, but this one's much better, more efficient, bigger prep tables, all that stuff.
Yeah.
We do events, car shows. This is a charity event for the vets rolling smoke. Now we've been all over the place. I mean, I take this thing to tornado damaged areas.
Yes.
Mayfield, Kentucky, 2 years ago, and we fed 1,200 people for free. Drive around through all the destruction. I mean, it's a lot of passion, a lot of heart.
Yeah. So I want to interrupt you a second. You were telling me you had a landscaping business for 25 years. I think you said you had 195 accounts.
And so I started a landscaping business in 95 out of high school.
Okay.
To pay to go to college.
Yes.
Made more money cutting grass than going to college and getting a job.
Yeah.
That turned to be successful over 25 years. And then physically unable to do all the landscaping stuff anymore. I'm tired of chasing money, tired of dealing with employees and customers and just seasonal and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, people eat every day.
Yeah.
So I already have a passion for cooking. I had a recipe making bratwurst. The bratwurst turned into the rest of my menu.
So you were saying about the bratwurst, so you make them as well? It's not just...
I make them from scratch.
Because you were telling me about when you didn't have the business that you had a friend and she was like...
Yeah, so a friend of mine, these are the ones I made yesterday.
Holy smokes.
So today we'll cut these in thirds.
Yes.
I don't think they're even charging. I think it's just all donation stuff.
Okay.
So I'm not sure how today's even working.
Yes.
But remember our boss brats? Yeah, so a friend of mine, we had a New Year's party in 2017, and we're all sitting at the table eating ribeyes and lobster tails, and having a huge spread of plate, a big old platter. And she gets away from the table and walks over and writes on my dry erase board. She wrote "Home of the Man Meats." And I'm like, "What the hell is that?" She's like, "Well, that's gonna be the name of your food truck whenever you get the balls enough to build one and sell this stuff." And I was like, "That I can't use that. That just sounds perverted, and it's man meat." She's like, "No." She goes, "It's the best thing you ever put in your mouth." She goes, "People will remember it." And it's been nothing but fun since. And these are all pork butts and briskets I got for today.
Oh, it smells amazing. I wish people could smell it. It's something else.
Here's a rotisserie grill where we cook it all. It's not on. It's just using it for hot box right now.
Okay. I used to have one I bought as a whim. Didn't use it much, but it was similar to about the same size, but it had a door that lifted up.
Yeah. Well, these do at the restaurant.
Okay.
But because of the height here. So I fabricated this bus when I built it. I put a blower right here. That way all the heat and smoke. It blows out over the top of my head.
Holy cow.
All the stuff that I learned from the last one what I wish I had.
And I would want to get out and shoot the outside because it's so impressive. But I interrupted your story. You were talking, and I'm sure this is refrigeration.
No, that's where my generator is.
Oh, okay. Oh, keeps it extra quiet then.
Quiet, and it can't be stolen from there.
Yes.
It's not strapped to the front of the bus or the back of the bus.
Yeah. I do have to show the steering wheel just because I am a car show.
Yeah. There you have it.
Yeah. And so these grills are all yours as well?
No, these are all the VRSB.
Oh, okay.
That's some guys.
So you're all contained in this.
For here, I got a restaurant in Florissant.
Okay.
A carryout restaurant. I get six grills like the one back there.
Wow.
They were actually the small ones. I got bigger ones at the restaurant.
And all started from just saying the heck with your landscaping business and following your passion.
So the emblem right here is a bratwurst. All I wanted to sell at first was beef brats, chicken brats, and pork brats. All right. I ran out of casings one day. So I had all this burger meat already prepped up. I ran out of casings. I'm like, I guess I'm gonna make, burger patties, sausage patties. I still had sausage in my mind, it's not a burger.
Yeah.
I balled the burger up, and that became my burgers. So then I had burgers and brats. Then I started selling in a Home Depot parking lot. This was back in 18. All I had was burgers and brats back then. And some guys walked up and said, "Man, you got a barbecue bus, and you ain't got the rib tips on here? You ain't got a pork steak? You ain't got all this?" I'm like, I guess I'll figure all that stuff out too. And now we got like 14 different items on the menu.
This is so impressive.
But we just adapt to whatever it is. If somebody has something to request, food-wise, we'll we'll make it. I'll find a recipe and tweak it and make it my own.
Yeah.
But we do a lot of events like this, car shows, more so like businesses, lunch hours and like employee appreciation.
Yes.
Tomorrow we're doing a 550 plate lunch for a church. So and then from there we're going to the Rat Run out in Portage de Sioux.
Yeah.
So I got my other bus going to Portage de Sioux, and this bus is going down south to do the 550 plates.
And is the Portage de Sioux today or tomorrow? I know
it's tomorrow. I think it's today and tomorw.
Yeah, because it was Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
I was there for a car show, a beautiful facility.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Well, not really a facility, but beautiful area.
Tomorrow's the big one. There'll probably be 15,000 bikes there in nice weather.
Wow.
It's impressive to see.
Yeah. Well, I want to shoot the other side just to show people, but this is so impressive, Bob. I love talking to entrepreneurs. And
so I built the first bus in 17. I bought it in September. I gutted it out. Everybody that told me no, it couldn't be done, you're crazy, that just fueled me to prove them wrong.
Amen, brother.
When then I started doing food truck events. In 2018, I got voted the best food truck in St. Louis.
Really?
That propelled the next level. Then all the magazines started contacting me. ABC reached out to us last year, or 2 years ago. They flew me to New York. I was on national TV with Ryan Seacrest and Kelly Ripa.
Yeah.
I've been getting so much recognition and awards and stuff for stuff we've been doing. It's humbling. I mean, it's just a passion. I make a living doing it.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, I just want to walk down the side. I love the Meatsville School District.
Yeah, it's unique to its own also.
Has anyone ever graduated from Meatsville School District?
No, it put them in a coma though.
This is very, very impressive. What kind of gas mileage do you get in it? I know you don't care.
Probably 6.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, the gas mileage is not even
an issue.
I can't even comprehend it.
Yeah.
I just fill it up when it gets low.
Yes. Well, Bob, thank you so much for telling us the story behind the bus in this case, and congratulations and good luck.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you so much.